Alright, hello there. What we got here today is the mini wireless keyboard from it's the Rii wireless keyboard, and I'm unboxing it, and as you can see, it's really not that big. There's my hand compared to it. You can literally just pull it out. It's actually fairly light, and here's the trackpad right here, and you got little buttons. I don't know if you can see them. Little buttons, left click, right click, all the keyboard, and then you got turn it on, and in the dark you can light up the keys. Let me adjust the light. You can actually see the keys in the dark, so in case if your computer does not have that, this does. And the cool thing about it is, well, one, it's just really small, and then it's also got a laser pointer built in for presentations, maybe at work. And then if you press the little blue FN button and then you press Alt at the same time, it actually switches the trackpad 90 degrees so that you can do a presentation, and say you need to point your laser pointer at it, do whatever the hell you want. Yeah, and then to hook it up to the computer, you got a little back compartment. Pop out the USB. Let me just plug this into the computer. It's got a 2.4 gigahertz USB drive, so that you can sync up pretty fast. And then let me just adjust the camera so you can actually see the computer. Alright, now I got a normal mouse. Well, I guess I shouldn't say normal, but I got the Arc mouse. If you can see the mouse moving around, I'm clicking on stuff, but this is just a normal mouse. Now I close the mouse, I turn this on. Say I want to click on, let's see, oh, have it trapped. I want to click on Microsoft Word, I guess. Click on it, boom, Microsoft Word's up. I want to play some music, I could do that. Change the song, simple little buttons, but I can't do that, so let's try this. Let's click, zoom in so you can see it. Let's get a little bit closer. Maybe change the font size. Let's go 72. Come on. I'm not that good at it, I just got it today. But this is me typing on the keyboard. Clearly I cannot spell right or use proper grammar, I apologize. But anyways, so back down to the actual keyboard itself. You got the laser pointer right here. You got this little button right here, you press that, it's a little red button. Laser pointer goes off. It's really light. You got this little back compartment for the USB right there. And I only got it for $30 because it was on sale for a holiday. So thank you, Amazon. And it's actually really great. I was able to play Grand Theft Auto with it on my computer, and it worked perfectly. There are some flaws to it. The top, this is all sensor right up here, and if you're trying to type, most people would grab it like this because it's the most comfortable for your hands, and then you'll try to type and this will happen. You'll be like, okay, hello, I'm still bad at this. But anyways, so sometimes it just won't pop up right, and maybe if you're like 8 feet away The distance is a little bit iffy. Works up to about 8 feet. I don't know why you want to be away from anything that far, really, but just because you can. It's got most of the function buttons. It's got 1 through 8. The brightness button. It's got the normal keyboard that you would have, just perfectly lined up, and the trackpad's actually really responsive. Like, yeah, let me adjust the camera. Maybe zoom in if I can. Nope, can't. Okay, well, if you can see the mouse, I don't know if you guys can or not, but there's a mouse in there. And say I want to click and highlight. It's very responsive. It's not jumpy like some people might expect, but you can easily close out of that. That's just a retarded background, I apologize. Yeah, so you can click, watch videos, maybe play Mario. Anything you can do with a normal keyboard and a mouse, you can pretty much do on this. And for $30 to $50 range, I'd give it a 5-star. So yep, that's my review. And it is the Rii Mini Keyboard. Hope you like it.